I went home because I was tired. I went home because I was tired. If he works hard, he will succeed. If he works hard, he will succeed. She is happy because she passed the exam. She is happy because she passed the exam. I was thirsty, so I drank water. I was thirsty, so I drank water. The car broke down, so we called a mechanic. The car broke down, so we called a mechanic. He was hungry, so he made a salad. He was hungry, so he made a salad. He ate quickly because he was hungry. He ate quickly because he was hungry. If you like it, buy it. If you like it, buy it. I called her because I missed her. I called her because I missed her. It was noisy, so I closed the window. It was noisy, so I closed the window. We went to bed because it was late. We went to bed because it was late. She didn't go out because she was sick. She didn't go out because she was sick. I was lost, so I asked for directions. I was lost, so I asked for directions. If she calls, I will answer. If she calls, I will answer. She is cold because it is snowing. She is cold because it is snowing. She is smiling because she won the game. She is smiling because she won the game. If it rains, we will stay home. If it rains, we will stay home. If we leave now, we will be on time. If we leave now, we will be on time. We are late because the bus broke down. We are late because the bus broke down. She was excited, so she danced. She was excited, so she danced. I didn't eat because I wasn't hungry. I didn't eat because I wasn't hungry. If it snows, we will play outside. If it snows, we will play outside. If you are hungry, eat something. If you are hungry, eat something. If you need help, just ask. If you need help, just ask. He is tired because he worked all night. He is tired because he worked all night. If it is sunny, we will go to the park. If it is sunny, we will go to the park. She is crying because she is sad. She is crying because she is sad. If she is busy, I will wait. If she is busy, I will wait. I was late, so I took a shortcut. I was late, so I took a shortcut. If it is cold, wear a jacket. If it is cold, wear a jacket. If he is here, I will talk to him. If he is here, I will talk to him. If you drive, be careful. If you drive, be careful. If you feel sick, see a doctor. If you feel sick, see a doctor. It was hot, so we went swimming. It was hot, so we went swimming. They were bored, so they left. They were bored, so they left. I was tired, so I took a nap. I was tired, so I took a nap. I am proud because I did well. I am proud because I did well. I am working because I need money. I am working because I need money. She is smiling because she got a gift. She is smiling because she got a gift. If you come, I will be happy. If you come, I will be happy. If you need a ride, I will drive you. If you need a ride, I will drive you. If it is dark, turn on the light. If it is dark, turn on the light. We are quiet because the baby is sleeping. We are quiet because the baby is sleeping. If you are free, let's meet up. If you are free, let's meet up. She was cold, so she put on a blanket. She was cold, so she put on a blanket. If you have time, join us for dinner. If you have time, join us for dinner. He is happy because he got a promotion. He is happy because he got a promotion. If you feel cold, drink some tea. If you feel cold, drink some tea. If you are ready, let's go. If you are ready, let's go. The alarm rang, so I woke up. The alarm rang, so I woke up.